Good morning there, boys and girls. How are you? Teacher Tim here with another video clip for maths. And I am very well, by the way. I hope you're all doing well too. So today we are going to continue with, as you can see, addition up to 10. But if you take out your books please and open page 45, then we're going, today I will mostly teach you and explain the concept, and tomorrow we will do more exercises. I will give you a few worksheets as well, but mainly I will explain the concept, so hopefully you will understand. If not, listen again to this video clip and look in your books while watching the clip. I will change the camera now, see in the book. Alright, so this is page 45 as I said, and writing number sentences and properties of addition. Number 1. How many kittens are there altogether? But this is not a number sentence. This is number bonds, right? So we have part 1, 2 kittens. 2 kittens. Part number 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kittens. And the total, the whole, altogether, 8. 2 plus 8 equals 8, 2 plus 6 equals 8. Alright, so below they have written 2, part 1, 2, and 6. Part 2 is 6 kittens, make 8. Okay, so if you look in this box, we can add by counting on or using number bonds. Okay, so if we write it like this, 2 plus 6 equals 8, then this is a number sentence. Okay, and the number sentence, this is the way we read it. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So this is the number sentence. It is written like this, and this is how you write the number sentence in words, and this is how you pronounce it. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So the answer, there are 8 kittens altogether. And this is how you write the number sentence in horizontal format. Horizontal format, then you write it as a line. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And these has these numbers, specific numbers here, they have names. So this number, it can be any number, but the first number is called organed. And then this, the second number, the number that you add, that's called addend. And then the total of these two numbers, or 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, depending on the equation, how big it is, how many numbers, the answer is called the sum. Okay, so the first number or numbers, if it's more than one number, if it's 20 or 300 or 5,000 or 10 million, the first number is called organed. And organed means the number that you start with. The number that you start with is called organed. And then addend is the number that you add to the organ. So the addend number you add to the organ number. You add the addend number to the number that you started with. And then the augend and the addend number put together equals sum. It is called the sum. Okay? So if you look down here, plus is read as plus. It means put together. So if you look here again, 2 put together and with 6. 2 put together with 6. And then this symbol means equals. Equals is read as equal. It means the same as 2 plus 6 is the same as 8. Okay, so I told you about the horizontal format when it's on a line like this, like my pen. But there is also the vertical format when everything is on top of each other. So then it goes like a line from up to down. So we have 2, we have the augend, plus 6 addend equals the sum. Okay, so like this. Augend plus addend equal sum. Okay, do you understand? All right, good. Now let's turn the page. Today we'll go through 3 pages. So page 46, please. Now, how many fish are there all together? In the 2 bowls, if we use number bonds, then bowl 1 is pot 1. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so then we write 4 in the first pot 1 of the number bond. And fish bowl 2, how many fish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we write 5 in part 2 of the number bond. And then what is the whole, the total? Part 1 plus part 2. So 4 and 5 make 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So this is a number sentence because it is lined up like a sentence, and that is what they call a number sentence. And this is of addition. Number sentence you can do with any kind of mathematical equation. You can do it with addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever you want. So 4 plus 5 is the same as 9. So we write 4 plus 5 equals 9. Number sentence, okay? And we read 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, so there are 9 fish altogether. Now let's check the answer. 9, the answer 9 is greater or bigger than 5, and 9 is also greater or bigger than 4. So therefore the answer is reasonable. It is plausible. It can be. If the answer would have been 5, then 5 is not greater or bigger than 5. So then the answer is not reasonable. Okay? So, adding 0 to a number. What do you get when you add 0 to a number? Let's look at number 1. How many curry puffs are there? So how many curry puffs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 0. 4 plus 0. If you write it in a number sentence, then we write 4 plus 0 equals 4. Yes. Okay, then let's look at the eggs. How many eggs are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we write 10 when we write it in a number sentence. 10 plus 0. So we write 0 in the number sentence, and that put together with this equals 10. Yes, 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay, good. And page 47, please. Now we have another concept, commutative property. Commutative property. If you change the order of addends, you will still come up with the same sum. So if you look on the example here, 2 donuts, and then we have 3 donuts. So 2 plus, add together, 3 equals 5. But if we change the order of the addends, so we change the order of the 3 that we have added. So we have 3 and then we add 2. So 1, 2, 3, 3 plus, put together with 1, 2, 2 equals, this put together with this equals 5. Yes, it's the same number because the organ and the addend, they just changed position. You still have the same number of donuts. You just start with a different number and you add the different number. Okay? So now, how many blue cubes and yellow cubes does Amaya have altogether? Let's add the number of blue cubes and yellow cubes. So Siti, she has 3 cubes and she says, I give you 3 yellow cubes. And Amaya says, I have 5 blue cubes. So then Amaya has 5 blue cubes and Siti gives her 3 more yellow cubes. So Amaya has her 5 cubes and then Siti gives her 3 more cubes. 1, 2, 3. And they make 8 together. And in a number sentence, we write 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay. And we read it 5 plus 3 equals 8. Alright, good. And the last part on page 47, we can also write 3 plus 5 equals 8. Yes, it's the same as this number. They have just changed the order of the 5 blue cubes and the 3 yellow cubes. So they have changed the order. It is still the same answer, 8. So if you look at the number bonds, it's a little bit clearer to see there. Part 1, 5. Part 2, 3. The whole is 8. Put together, the total is 8. But if we change it around, part 1, 3, not 5. Part 2, 5, not 3. Then the total should be same as that, because it's the same numbers you are adding together. They have just changed position, but it is still the same numbers. So the answer is 8 again. Okay, I hope you understand. This is becoming a really long video clip now. I'm sorry about that. I just hope you understand what I have been teaching you now. I will quickly go over the worksheets I want you to do. And so I will give you two worksheets, and it's number lines which we have already gone over. So the example here, 6 plus 1 equals 7. So then start on 0, the first number, the organ is 6. So you jump one step to number 6, a big step. Okay, and then plus 1. So the addend is 1. You add 1 more, and that equals 7. And the answer is 7. Okay, let's do one together. 8 plus 11 equals what? So you have to start on number 8. So let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a mark here. Mark here. And then we draw a line. A jump. I'm holding my phone now, so it's difficult to hold the paper and draw the line, but I will try. To 8, yes, almost. Okay, and then plus 11. So let's count 11. You are now on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Make a mark here, and then you draw a line. Big jump. Okay. So we have 8 plus put together with 11, and then you have a big jump, and now you land on 19. So the answer is 19. Okay? Please do these exercises. There are two worksheets, but you do the same on both worksheets. They are just different numbers, because there are only 4 different equations on each worksheet. That is why I'm giving you 2 worksheets. Alright, good job. I will take pictures of these and post them as well. So, okay, and that is all for this video clip. I know this is my longest video clip ever so far, but I hope you will learn a lot on this long video clip. So if you need to, listen and watch the video clip 2 times, maybe even 3 times, because I did cover a lot of good information now. Alright, good job, see you in the next video, bye bye.